In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up to become an Uber delivery driver in Australia. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer or phone and go to the Uber delivery sign up page for Australia. Using Chrome is helpful because it usually works smoothly with Uber's forms and document upload pages. Once the website loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct Australian delivery page before continuing. From there, click the sign up button to begin a new driver application. This creates a fresh application path, which is important if you want to start clean and make sure your information is entered correctly from the beginning. As you move through the sign up process, carefully follow the prompts on screen and fill in your details as requested. It's a good idea to double check your information before moving to the next page, since even small mistakes can slow down approval later. Next, complete the personal background check tracking profiles for Australia. This part of the process helps Uber verify your eligibility to deliver in your area. You may be asked to provide personal identification details and confirm information that allows the background check process to move forward. Take your time here and make sure everything matches your official records. If something doesn't line up, it can delay the review process. After that, upload the required identification documents. This includes your Australian driver's license, your Vivo document check if applicable, or a scan of your local passport. Make sure the images are clear, well lit, and fully visible with no cropped edges or blurry text. If you're taking photos with your phone, place the document on a flat surface and avoid glare or shadows. Clear uploads can make a big difference in how quickly your documents are accepted. Once your documents are submitted, the next step is to order the required commercial delivery bag. This is part of the activation process and helps ensure you meet delivery standards before going live on the platform. Follow the instructions provided in your account to order the correct bag and complete this requirement as soon as possible, since activation may not be finalized until this is done. After all of that, keep an eye on your application status and wait for Uber to review your details, documents, and delivery bag requirement. If everything is submitted correctly, you'll be one step closer to getting activated and starting delivery.